Hey guys, we're live. Sorry for the delay. Looks like this one's been ready for a minute or two. It's 9:02 p.m. We got a two-winner battle for Robert. A Luke Stormtrooper, which seems to be the theme this evening, and a Boba Fett. Nice looking one. I got 60 spots. Top two win. Two-winner battles are always fun. I'm going to copy our list of 60 spots and paste them over here at random to start our battle. We wound up with 60 on this end. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play. Snake Eyes ain't going to cut it. So we're going to give it another shot. 5 does cut it. We're just in under the wire. So we are good to battle. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Troy and Nate, round 1, respectively. Brian and Dave, 2. Nate, round 3, in a clean sweep. Brian and Dave, round 4, in our penultimate round, bringing us at last to the final round. Here we go. And our winners are Nate. If there was a third place, he'd have won that too. Heavens. Congrats, Nate. Here's the verification. There we go. I am done at 9:04. There it is. There's our verification code one last time. Congrats to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.